We wanted to do everything we could to help support folks to get back on their feet and get back to work as fast as possible. We've created over 75 content pieces, guides, checklists, tools, articles, all helping people how to get back on their feet fast and get a job quickly. Ideally, we want to see people like you get the job of your dreams. All of this content has been built just for you to help you get there. We've written a book. You can order it below, or you can get the Kindle or Smashwords EPUB version and read it on your reader. All of the proceeds of the book are going directly to workforce development programs forever. We've already donated over $10,000 to these programs, and we're hoping to double or triple that in time. And we'll be keeping you up to date on how we do. So if you're looking for work and you want the ultimate guide on how to get a job fast, how to get back on your feet and deal with the challenges that are ahead of you, buy the book, share those proceeds with people who are even more vulnerable and in a worse situation than you, and I hope it helps you get back to where you want to be.